Hi, my name's Nicole Jacobs. I work for the Bernalillo County Cooperative Extension Service, which is a program of New Mexico State University, and I'm the 4-H Family and Consumer Science Agent. Today we're going to be making healthy log roll-ups. This comes from the Just Be It Healthy and Fit curriculum, which is part of New Mexico State University's Cooperative Extension program. This recipe comes out of the All About Diabetes unit. Let's get started.